I would like to introduce a new program which is all about how to apply mathematics in solving physics. So last time I started 45 topics on 45 questions for NEET, but this time I thought to discuss about the difficulty what exactly students face in physics solving, whether it is for NEET or JEE mains, whoever it is, the main problem what they face or what they feel. In my entire teaching career, I found with many students that they always used to lag in calculation, also in application, especially in application of mathematics in physics. But the role of mathematics in physics is the key one which makes you to succeed in learning the subject. So let me tell you few things, like if you consider physics. So what I suggest you to do, or what is the best way to understand and learn physics, in my opinion, I am not telling you the definition of physics, please try to understand. It's about how to get the solving of physics we are talking about. It's not the physics definition. It's like practicing hands-on approach yields success in commanding subject. So what makes you to command the subject, command the concept? That is, of course, practice. But in what way you have to practice? You need to listen to someone, you need to understand, you need to revise, you need to practice, as we discussed earlier also. But the way you have to practice is practicing hands-on approach. Whatever you have studied, whatever you derived, whatever you remembered, so please try to practice them. You have to approach in that manner, and that yields, that results in, that makes you to succeed in commanding the subject, or you will get a command over solving physics. But that practicing must be done with the help of mathematics only. Without the help of mathematics, you cannot solve physics everywhere. At every level there is a high level physics, sir. High level mathematics. At every level there is a level of mathematics which always required, so that you can solve it easily and you can solve it perfectly. So if you consider the role of mathematics, role of maths in physics. So what we exactly discuss here, like a part wise we will discuss it. It's all about a collection of challenging 250 questions. We will go discuss, or we are going to discuss a challenging 250 questions. About what? About how to apply mathematics in solving physics. Various type of questions, or in which situation what type of mathematics will come and how to deal with it, and what are all the mathematical things will come or will appear in physics. Is one is quadratic equation, second one integration and differentiation and vectors and sequence and series, like geometric progression, sum of natural numbers, sum of square of natural numbers. These are the main things which we use at JEE mains level, NEET level to solve the various type of questions in various chapters. Of course, in all of them also trigonometric relations will come. Trigonometric ratios, trigonometric formula. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. All those also very important because they all will come in these equations, especially in integration, differentiation, vectors. So trigonometry will be there everywhere. So what is the basic mathematics required and what is the importance of that mathematics in solving physics? We will understand through these questions. So those who want to achieve better, more in physics, it must be helpful and you must understand the importance and you have to follow this. Then you will get better idea on solving physics. Because many times the students say the one thing that it is easy to understand but difficult to solve. It is not the physics who makes it difficult to solve. It is the one who makes it difficult, mathematics. That's why we say mathematics is king of all sciences. So, if you take the great scientists, great people in the physics like Newton, Einstein, many people you consider. So, all are great mathematician also. Every physicist is also a great mathematician. So they have contributed many things in mathematics. They did very well. They have achieved many good results with the help of mathematics only. So that's why at this level of physics, whether it is JEE mains or NEET, you need to understand the importance of this mathematics. You need to understand what are all the things which are required in solving physics. You need to understand in various cases, in various chapters, what way we have to use them with all the examples. So that is how we are going to do it. It's all about the role of mathematics in solving physics. And I have chosen a collection of 250 questions, and in which few of the questions which I framed on my own with the help of my previous experience with solving physics and from the reference of many great books. So it's not like I created everything on my own, so please don't misunderstand me. I tried in my own way to create something like a situation, a problem, a numerical, so based on particular topic. So I hope it will be helpful to all of you and you will get better or best result if you follow this regarding physics. Solving physics. Understanding physics is always easier compared to solving physics or application of physics. So we talk about mainly application of physics using mathematics or solving physics using mathematics. So let us begin our new journey with a fresh energy, with a fresh mind, that the importance of mathematics. So all the best to all of you. So thank you so much.